to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
There you are.
What's the matter?
Oh, Kitty and Lou have broken up. They're not friends anymore.
They're just having one of their little fights. You'll see.
No, this time it's different. It really is.
Is it?
Yes.
Let's talk to them. I'm sure we can fix things. G'day, Kitty.
Hi.
Are you fighting with Lou?
Nope.
For you, I'm so glad.
Yeah, it's better this way.
Well, what's better?
Didn't Alvanius tell you? We've broken up.
Seriously? Oh, Kitty.
He was always napping, and I'm not going to spend my whole life waiting for someone to wake up.
But this is very upsetting.
Oh, don't worry. I'm glad it's over. I feel great.
Lou!
Oh, hello.
Hey, so Kitty told me that you guys aren't friends anymore.
Yups.
Seems a shame.
Oh, no. She was very difficult. Just one tantrum after another. Honestly, I'm glad it's over. I feel great. No one's taking my space.
No one's getting in my face
No one's making me frown.
or bringing me down. It's just me.
It's just me.
No one's wasting my time.
I don't have to read someone else's mind.
I can swing through the trees.
I'm as free as can be.
It's just me.
They say friendship is the best.
Don't believe it. 'Cause I'm so not impressed.
Who needs it?
Who needs it?
Now I'm not just one of a pair.
I can do what I like anytime, anywhere.
It's over and done.
Look out, world, here I come.
It's just me. It's just me.
Oh, Dalvania, you were right. This is a disaster.
It's just awful.
Can you talk to Kitty? She listens to you.
Can you talk to Lou?
Oh, hi, Dalvanius. What you been doing?
I was just with Lou.
Lou, why are you hanging around with that guy?
'Cause he's my friend.
Oh, Dalvanius. I'm the fun one. Hey, come on, let's play something. You want to? What about Sorry? Shall we ask her too?
Okay, I know where she is.
How can you be so happy, Lou?
Well, there's no need to shout.
Yes, there is.
Hi. Kitty wants to play.
Oh, what? You're not still friends with her, are you?
I knew it. You guys are still all buddy-buddy with Lou.
Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't they be?
Hey, you have to decide whose friends you are.
What?
Yeah, true. Good idea, Kitty.
This isn't right.
No, it's not.
What's going on here?
Kitty and Lou, they're not friends anymore.
Don't be ridiculous.
We're not. It's over, right, Kitty?
Totally over.
Oh, come on, that's enough, you two. I'm not having any more of this nonsense.
Yeah, that's enough. I can't take it.
You can't break up.
Can so.
Can if we want to. Come on, Kitty. We don't have to listen to them.
It's none of their business anyway.
At least we have each other.
Ba 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 ba